Hey there, Lennar fans. We are at Bonita National previewing our newest listing. It is one of the terraces, Unit 328. It's the N unit, the Celiana floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, 1,400 square foot home. This does come with a golf membership and is being offered turnkey furnished, so you get all the furnishings and forks, spoons, knives, things of that nature that you see in the home. As we walk into the Celiana, to the right side, you're going to have the guest bedroom here with the twin bed setup. Right off of here you have the guest bath with the single sink, commode, and combination tub and shower. Now right across from the guest bathroom here you have the laundry space. So it's an enclosed space, which is really nice. Big enough for the full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage directly above. And that leads us into the kitchen area here. Walking into the kitchen, really nice sized kitchen here. Granite countertops, stainless appliances. You've got this eating kitchen area right here. Got a nice pantry as well. And this all overlooks your dining area and living space here. All right, so coming back out here into the main area of the home, you've got your dining area here, along with plenty of room for additional bar seating. And directly across from the dining is your den. Here shown with a pull-out couch, desk, and TV setup. And you also have these pocketing doors here to close this off for privacy. The great room area here is just off the dining space. So plenty of room here. The Celiana also gives you an extra window since it's an N unit, so you get a lot more natural light. Last but not least, on the inside here we have the master suite. That's a king-size bed there for reference. So plenty of room for a king-size suite. As you see here, you've got the his and hers closets. You've got the bathroom here with the single sink, the standalone shower, and then also with your commode and a linen closet in here as well. And the last thing we're going to look at is the viewpoint and lanai. This owner has tiled in the lanai, otherwise it would be concrete there, so that's a nice little feature. And we're on the end here. This is a second floor unit. So you've got a nice elevated view and views of the golf course, the lake, and in the distance there are the amenities and the golf clubhouse. Alright guys, so this is Bonita National Unit 328, now available for sale. Don't miss your chance. If you want to get more information or ask us about this home, you can reach us at all of the information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property. We appreciate you watching.